Have you taken the authenticity assessment? We offered it for you last week, and you may have taken it online or at a live event previously. Well, what I want you to do is look at what was your lowest score when you took the assessment. Which dimension was lowest for you? That's the one where I say you are most vulnerable. And if you're vulnerable in anything, you're going to want to raise and fortify so you reduce your vulnerability. So today's product is the Inventories, which is an inventory for each one of these 9 dimensions of authenticity. Now, by inventory, what I'm talking about is taking an inventory of yourself, going deeper within yourself, and giving you the tools to take that dimension and raise your level of competency in that dimension. For example, the intuition dimension, the first one. If you are looking to become more intuitive, maybe your lowest scores were in this area, then you will appreciate this inventory because it shows you 8 different ways that your voice speaks to you. Ways maybe you never even considered. And it helps you to increase your level of intuition so that you can listen to your voice and speak to your voice more effectively. Another one is the legacy dimension. That's one of my favorite dimensions. In the legacy dimension, it's not about what you leave for your heirs, it's what was put into you at the time of your birth. And through that dimension, through that inventory, you have a chance to know what your gifts and talents are. There are 9 particular wisdom gifts that we talk about, and you will want to know which one is most effective for you and where you might be vulnerable. And the question is, how are you using your strengths of your gifts in the world now? So each of these inventories are designed to take you deeper into you, help you understand yourself more effectively, help you step more into being your authentic self, help you to find, live, and share your authentic voice. So check them out, theinventories.com. You see the link, go to the link, check it out. And if you haven't taken the assessment yet, I'm sharing that link with you also. You can do that. Take the assessment, find where you're vulnerable, go to the inventories, get that workbook, that inventory workbook, and or the audio that goes with it. You find your life tweaking a bit, and you'll find yourself happier, more authentic, and having a more meaningful life. Check it out.